Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a good Wix website. First, it's crucial to plan. Clearly define your site's purpose and who you want to reach. Next, select a template that truly reflects your brand's style and vision. Before you even start building, gather all your content, think text, high-quality images, and any videos. This preparation saves a lot of time and ensures a cohesive look, making the entire process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's dive into design. Once you have your template, personalize it with your unique brand colors and fonts to establish a strong identity. Wix's drag-and-drop editor makes adjusting layouts incredibly simple, allowing you full creative control. Remember, a significant portion of users browse on mobile, so always ensure your site is perfectly responsive across all devices, from large desktops to small smartphones, for an optimal user experience. Content is king, so focus on writing compelling, concise text that truly engages your visitors. High-quality content keeps people on your site longer. Next, optimize all your images. This means compressing them for faster loading times, which is vital for user experience and search engine ranking. Finally, implement basic SEO settings, such as crafting clear meta descriptions and adding descriptive alt text to your images to help search engines understand your content better. You're almost there. Before hitting publish, meticulously review your entire website. Check every link, image, and piece of text for accuracy and functionality. Then, connect your custom domain name. This instantly gives your site a professional and trustworthy appearance. Once live, don't forget to promote your hard work. Share your new website across all your social media platforms and other channels to attract your first visitors and start building your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.